Hello, this is Keith Hall. Today we're going to be talking about the accounting format in Excel 365. And we're going to do a small comparison to how that differs from the currency format. So as you can see on the screen here, on the left we have the currency format. On the right we have the accounting format. Now the main differences are over here on the right. The alignment, if you pay attention to the alignment of the currency symbol and the decimal point. As you can see with the currency format, it puts the currency symbol right next to the first most number in your number, as you can see. So they don't line up. The dollar sign appears again to the left of the first number in your number. The accounting format, as you can see, the currency system is in the leftmost part of the cell, and they always will line up, no matter how large or small your number is. And you can see the decimal points too. Now, with the accounting format, if you have something negative here, it will align, the numbers will align the decimal points up. And then the parentheses will lie outside of the numbers. So the negative numbers, as you can see also, the currency format puts a minus sign in front of the number. Accounting format will always put the brackets. Now the zero values, how does it treat zero values? Well, with the currency format, as you can see, it puts a zero with a couple decimal places if you choose to have decimal places. And a zero in the accounting format is treated as a dash. And again, with the currency system symbol, you could see the differences here. So now we're going to be talking about the number of different ways that you could apply the accounting format. So let's go to another tab. And so in this instance, we're going to format these numbers here using the accounting format, but using the accounting number format button, which is in your home group and your home tab in the number group, as you can see here. And the accounting number format button is with the currency symbol here. As you can see, I hovered over it. So I'm going to select it and click on that. So it applies that format. And it applies it automatically with 2 decimal points. Now let's Control Z out of there. Let's find another way. Highlight your area, do the Alt shortcut key, which is Alt key, H for home tab, and then AN right here for the button. So it does that. Now, to increase or decrease the number of decimal points, you could do this with the shortcut keys Alt H0 or Alt HI. So I'm going to do the increase decimal first. So Alt H0 will increase it by 1 decimal point. If you want to decrease it by 1, Alt H9, as you can see, it goes down. So Alt H9 again, it goes down. Alt H0 will increase it again. So now let's do another way to adjust the accounting format. Let's highlight the areas, and now the drop-down menu in the number group under the home tab. So in other words, we're going to go up to the home tab, number group right here, and then this is the drop-down. So you could select that and select all your different formats. So let's select the accounting format. That's one way to do it. Let's Control Z and let's use the Alt shortcut key sequence, which is Alt H N A for accounting, then press enter. So let's do Alt H N, and then by pressing A, it selects the accounting format, as you can see up here. Now just press enter, and it does that. So now let's do it once again using a different format, a way to get the accounting format. So select your numbers, your cells, and then this is called the Format Cells dialog box. So we could go to right click, Format Cells, it brings up the dialog box, or you could use the shortcut key Control+1. Brings you up to the same Format Cells dialog box. You want to select accounting and then how many decimal points that you want, and this is your currency symbol. And in this case, it's the United States. So let's click OK, and there you have it. So hopefully this gave you a better idea of the differences between the currency format and the accounting format, and of course, all the different ways that you can apply the accounting format to your numbers. Thanks again for stopping by today. You have a great day. Please subscribe to the channel, because if you do so, you will always get updated when a new video is uploaded. And also, please like and share. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.